Hello, Mario! In this video, the first in my series Mario's Basic 2D CAD 01 Introduction, I'm going to give you a heads up on what this series of videos entails. Essentially what we're going to be doing is introducing you to CAD by first giving you a challenge and then showing you how to achieve it. So the challenge will involve drawing a set of plans from scratch, and along that journey you will learn all of the basic essentials of 2D CAD. So let's have a look at the challenge, and here it is here. You're going to be producing a set of plans, a set of 4 plans that look very similar to this. So the first sheet will be a cover sheet. I have chosen an image here at random, and there's a lot of flexibility here. You can choose your own image, but you will require to have some sort of title on your cover sheet and a table of contents and any other things that you might decide are necessary. The first sheet that we will look at, and the most important, is this one here, is the floor plan of a very simple house. Now, I've chosen a house because most of us know what a house looks like, have been in a house, and have got a very good point of reference in terms of what the house might entail. So you will be going to be drawing this house essentially from a series of plans that were provided to us as a brief. And we may have a look at that, although it's possibly quite possible just to draw the plans from this set of plans here, using these as a guide. So there we have the floor plan of a very simple 3-bedroomed house. The next step will be the elevation. Now, there are a number of aspects to this that we do need to cover, and as we cover each one, it's anticipated that you will be able to tick that off on various check sheets that I will be providing, or can be provided on request. But initially, everybody will be drawing this plan here. Then we will move to the elevations and details. Now, this plan here may well be a combined effort in a team situation. So those of you drawing these will be pretty much in a team situation, and we may be able to draw different parts of the plan together. But it is proposed that everybody at least be able to draw 1 elevation and possibly 2, because the process that we go through to draw elevations are very important. Now, the cross section and the foundation detail, however, they will be provided to you. They will be already drawn, and they will be input into the plan using what you will come to know as an XREF. Now, one of the key mantras, memes, or whatever you want to call it, of AutoCAD is that you only need to draw anything once. Once you have drawn it and secured it or stored it away somewhere, you use it again and again and again. So once you've got a foundation detail, say for instance such as this, you can then make a copy and bring that into your latest plan that you're drawing and use it there without having to redraw it. And this is one of the beauties of AutoCAD, is that you should only ever have to draw something once. However, it is very important that you store and retain things securely in places where you can find them. Because although you may have drawn it once, if you can't find it, you cannot use it again. This set of plans here is in A2, and you'll notice it's in a set format and what have you. We will notice as we're going along that there's various aspects of these plans that may need some adjustment. And this is a continual process when drawing plans of actually getting things correct. Every time we look at the plan, sometimes we may see something that needs to be adjusted. So every person is going to be drawing or have their own set of 4 plans. The final plan in the set is a site plan. So we will be locating the house that you've drawn on a site. It's actually a live site at 24 Baker Street, Huntley West. And you will be placing the house that you've drawn on that site. Again, just copying it in there. Now, how you position it on the site, of course, you don't have to follow what I've got here, and there may well be some misgivings as to what I've got here. I'm sort of thinking that my site manoeuvring might be a little bit on the short side, and that we might actually need some more room. But I'm going to leave it how I've got there, and we'll show you the process. Now, this is a site plan, and I've just called it land use because it's only really showing the land use elements from the Waikato District Plan. And you can see there that it's got the service courts, the building platform, and what have you. Also, I have X-refed in here a standard 6x6 garage, and you will be drawing the garage as a separate plan and then X-refing it in. You'll see that I've got it quite close to the boundary here, so we will be looking at some of the ways of how we deal with discretionary activities, and pointing out that a land use consent may be required for this. We will also be having a look through the district plan and seeing all of the elements that are required to be demonstrated to council if we were to be building this plan. We need to show them how we were going to be complying with their rules that are in the district plan. So consequently, we've shown some car parking, some manoeuvring, a service court, a living court, a building platform, the building setbacks, and so on and so on. So at the end of this exercise, or this undertaking, you will have a set of 4 plans that hopefully looks very similar to this. As you can see, you're clicking through it here in PDF, and you will be recording along the way all of the various elements and things that you have used or learnt in CAD to produce this plan. So there you are. We've put the challenge in front of you. Let's see how you take it up and see how you go. Cheers! See you!